me and Harsha and Divya entered, we saw some kids having food, we saw some colorful dresses, Christmas cap. We went back to our childhood memories. How we were in school. We were like you only, making noise, being naughty, being playful, studying, sometimes not studying. That's okay. So today we were very happy to have our childhood memories getting back to our, brains and senses. When Divya called me and requested to grace this occasion, she said, we are conducting a blood donation awareness in a school. And I asked her, which school is this? She told me, Achi School of Education. Believe me, I was telling Mr. Balaji also, your principal, I really was impressed by this name. You know why? Achieve. So there is achievement in every aspect of life, isn't it? Yes. To achieve good score, to achieve medals, to achieve ranks, to achieve distinctions, to achieve promotions when we grow, to achieve wealth, and this day to achieve health also. So we have to struggle to achieve the fullest, finest health too. So I hope and I'm sure this institute has given you and will guide you to achieve in whatever aspect you have dreamt. So dear students, you are all privileged and fortunate to get into this kind of education because me, Harsha and Divya, we come from a traditional education background. We had to sit in the class and listen to the lectures for hours. And we didn't have a practical approach at all. We were not understanding many things in math, many things in science. We had to just mug up theorems and we had to just understand it just theoretically. But now the education system gives you to bridge a gap between the power of knowledge and skill. So you are exposed to practicality everywhere. You have to utilize it to the fullest to grow into an achievement. I hope you're all ready to do it, right? So today when I collaborated with KVK, Samuel Drishti is, very honored to be a part of KVK's humanitarian actions conducted all over places. They're conducting a lot of health awareness, blood donation awareness and free camps to the needy and underprivileged section of the society. There are so many people who do not have money or even the knowledge to come to a doctor or to know about the health or about the blood donation. Blood donation is, need of a blood is such an emergency. Sometimes the patient or the person is in the terminal stage where he needs huge pints of blood. So nobody is ready to give the blood. We do not know where to go, and KVK is doing a tremendous job being, creating an awareness, conducting blood donation camps. They have so many donors all over across the state. I remember, Harsha, if you remember, one of my relatives had a surgery for a cancer and they were struggling, and last moment they called me because I'm into medical profession. All I did was forward his number. That's all. And the blood was ready in hours. The patient got operated and he is hale and healthy. This is just a live example I'm giving you to make you understand the need of blood donation and have a knowledge of it. So I also appreciate and very well the work they are doing here. I don't know how many of you, even the teachers, are aware of blood donation camps happening, how to be a blood donor. Everybody can donate the blood. Of course, the strategies are there which Divya will highlight you upon it. So these people are doing a great job and I was very humbled and honored to be a part of their association because wherever they are doing free eye camps or free medical camps, we are a part of it. So we are conducting many eye screening camps, diagnosing many people who have eye diseases and trying to give the best treatment with little monetary help or sometimes free of cost. All these things are happening in the society. I today take an opportunity to make you understand something about eye donation because this is all about donation at the end of the day. So being children, you should also know there are so many organs which can be donated when we are alive and when we are dead also, right? Can I request all of you to close your eyes tightly for a few minutes? Very tight so that even the light will not enter your eyes. cheating here because I'm an eye specialist. My vision is very good, you know, I can catch hold of you very well. So when I say this, many of you are closing your eyes. You're still not closing your eye here. All of you close your eyes tight. So now can we open your eyes? How was the experience? How was the experience? This is how a blind person lives his entire life. Not seeing the light, not seeing the colors, not appreciating the beauty around you. We are all privileged to have good vision. We are seeing light, colors, shapes, contrast, everything in life is so beautiful, don't you think so? Imagine a world which is completely dark. Do you like it? Do you like it? No. Do you want to help these people who are blind? Yes. The solution is simple. It is by pledging our eyes to be donated. Right? So when we are alive, we can pledge that we can be donating our eyes when we are dead, not when we are alive. So even after death, our organs, especially the eyes, can give vision to at least 2 people, and the maximum 4 people can have their vision back. So who all can donate eyes? Anybody knows? Every one of us can donate eyes. From the age of 1 year till death, all of us can be a donor of the eyes after our death. So there is no age restriction, there is no medical contradiction. Anybody having any disease can donate eyes. Only a few of them cannot donate eyes. Those who are having certain infections, certain cancers of the eyes and the body cannot donate the eyes. But everybody can be pledging their eyes to be donated. So how do we do that? It is very simple. Go to any eye hospital, or even KVK has eye donations forms. You can ask your adults in the family and parents to become donors, because to become a donor you should be 18 plus of the age limit. So anybody can fill the form, their details. Consent of the family and relatives is required, because after we are dead, these are the people who are going to call the blood bank to come and collect the eyes. So after death, maximum within 6 hours the eye can be collected, and it is very simple procedure. No need of any payment or money is involved in this. It's done free of cost because it's a charity. The blood or the eye donation people, bank people will come and collect the eye within 15 to 20 minutes of duration at your home. No operation theatre facilities, no any environmental changes are required. All you have to do is keep a wet cotton on the closed lid of a person to keep the cornea, that is the black part of the eye. All of us have a black part of the eye, right? So that has to be moist. So only that is used for transplantation of a blind person. We cannot give the whole eyeball, we cannot transplant. Okay? So what does it mean? Anybody who has become blind because of this particular corneal causes can have a vision back with transplantation of the cornea. So anybody who is a diabetic or wearing a spectacle or having any eye conditions can be a eye donor. Alright? So having said this, as said in Bhagavad Gita, Nayanam Sarvendriya Pradhanam. You understand this? Lord Krishna has said it in Bhagavad Gita that eye and vision are the utmost important organ and sense organ and function of the body. As I told you, there is no life without vision. You cannot study, you cannot appreciate, you cannot learn, because the brain also is stimulated to understand by seeing, right? What we see, we understand. What we understand, we interpret. So that is why eye is very, very important. So can we all take a pledge today that we will, try to impose our adults in the family to become an eye donor? Can we do that? Yes. So go home and tell your parents to become and pledge their eyes for donation, so that after we are gone, our eyes are there, still helping a blind person to have a vision. So donate eye, don't be shy. Okay? So I thank you KVK and Achieve School for providing me this opportunity to enlighten you about the eye donation. And now I think Divya will give a tremendous good talk about the blood donation. Thank you, dear friends.